In this video, we're going to take a look at how to navigate the scene view. If you're already familiar with it, go ahead and skip the video. The first thing you need to know is that you can select objects with your left click. So I can select the sun with left click and I can select the camera. And keep in mind that when you select them in the scene view, they get highlighted in the hierarchy. I can also select directly from the hierarchy and it will be selected inside the scene view. The next thing here is the right click. When you right click, this is going to allow you to pan around and zoom around your environment. You'll see here that I can simply rotate. If I wanted to move towards an object, I can simply use my scroll wheel to zoom in. But what we find is that FPS mode is much more enjoyable. To enter FPS mode, you simply hold down the right click and you use the WSAD keys to move around your environment as if you were playing an FPS game. This is going to allow you to maneuver around your scene and access individual assets that you want to get a better view of. If you're off into the distance and you'd like to focus in on an object, you can select the object inside of the directional light, for example, and just move your mouse into the scene view and hit the F key to focus in on that object. I could do the same thing with the main camera, bring my mouse to the scene view, and use the F key to focus in. Last but not least, while using FPS mode, you may want to control the speed at which you move around. You can do that by using a scroll wheel. For example, as I move around, I can increase the speed or I can decrease the move around speed. These are going to be the most useful things you'll need to know when navigating Unity. Outside of that, it's all about understanding shortcuts and things you'll pick up as you experience Unity. But for this course, to follow along with me, that's all you need to know. I'll see you in the next video.